Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Febriana Nursyahbela with name 19.2A.14 from class 19 to A14. I am from an Information of System student, Faculty of Engineering and Informatics, Bina Sarana Informatika Karawang of University. So I will to deliver two materials. The first material is computer. Okay, next, what is a computer? A computer is a series or group of electronic machines consisting of thousands or even millions of components that can work together and create a neat and meticulous word system, which means this system can then be used to carry out a series of jobs automatically based on sequence of instruction or program given to the computer. Okay, next. Then definition of computer from several experts. First, Robert H. Blismer. A computer is an electronic device capable of performing several tasks, including receive input, processing the input in accordance with the program, storing commands and results of processing, provide output in the form of information. And second, Donald H. Saunders. A computer is an electronic system for fast and precise data manipulation and is designed and organized so that it automatically receives and stores input data, processes it, and produces output under the supervision of step-by-step program instructions stored in memory. Okay, third, a book by V.C. Hamaker, Z.G. Franisik, S.G. Zaki. A computer is a fast electronic calculating machine that can receive information, digital input, process it according to program stored in its memory and produce output information. And last, William M. Forey, a computer is a data processor that can perform large and fast calculation, including large arithmetic or logical operation, without the intervention of humans operating during processing. Okay, from some of this definition, it can be concluded that computers are an electronic device, can receive data input, can process data, can provide information using a program stored in computer memory, can store programs and process it itself, and works automatically. Okay, next. History of computer. Based on the quote from Chayaningrum, Johanna Zriansyah, and Afriansa, 2023, the history of computers dates back more than 200 years ago, originally theorized by mathematics and entrepreneurs. During the 19th century, mechanical calculating machines were designed and built to solve the challenges of calculating increasingly complex numbers. Technological advancements enable increasingly complex computer, increasingly complex. Okay. This computer can be explained simply as a device that automatically performs routine calculation. However, such a simplex description can be misleading because it views calculation only as strictly mathematical process. Okay, in fact, this calculation underlie a variety of activities that are not always directly related to math. Computers have proven to be capable of handling a wide array of problems, from encoding activities to being a coin system for robots moving around a room. Okay, next, types of computers. First, portable computers. This is portable type of computer. which is used for research in the field and on the move. This type of computer is less popular because it tends to be heavy and lighter than a laptop, because they tend to be heavy and lighter than a laptop in general. Okay, and second, this desktop computer. As the name implies, this is a computer that sits on a desk. This computer has CPU that is separate from monitor and keyboard. And third, palm-top computer. It is a small handheld computer. This type of computer has been very rarely used since the invention of smartphone. And fourth, tower computer. This is a computer that is larger than desktop computer and is usually placed on beside a desk. This computer can be a desk supporting device because it has explosion slot. Okay, five, notebook computer. This type of laptop, but with a thinner size, commonly used by students, teachers, and researchers who need a compact and lightweight computer device. And six, handbook or sub notebook. It is a type of notebook that is smaller that is smaller in size than a typical notebook. Handbooks have a processor with low specification. Okay, and the last, laptop computer. It is a type of computer that can be placed on the user's lap. Laptops have the CPU, monitor, and keyboard are integrated and easy to carry around. Okay, next, classification of computers based on data process. First, analog computer. Analog computer are used to process qualitative data, word continuously, and not data in the form of numbers, but in physical and parallel form. Usually does not require an intermediate language. For example, computer used to regulate temperature, sound speed, and electrical voltage. Okay. Second, digital computer. Digital computer are used to process quantitative data. Letters, numbers, combination of letters, numbers, specials, characters. Usually requires an intermediate language, or one of which is a basic computer. PC is a personal computer, laptop, and the like. For example, alphabetical symbols described by the letters, numeric symbols devised with numbers 0 to 9, or special symbols such as other special symbols. And third, hybrid computer. It is a type of computer that can be used to process data that is both quantitative and qualitative. Hybrid computers can also be said to be a combination of analog and digital computer. This type of computer is widely used by various hospitals that are used to examine the condition of the patient body, which in the end, the computer can output various analyses that are presented to the patient. Finally, the computer can issue various analyses that are presented in the form of image, graphs, or writing images. Sorry, in the form of image, graphs, of writing. And second, based on usage. For special purpose computer. Computers that are designed to solve specialist problems, usually only one problem at a time. This computer can be a digital computer or an analog computer, and generally analog computer a special purpose computer. Special computers are widely developed for the automatic control of industrial processes such as chemical plants, oil refineries, steel mills, etc. Second is general purpose computer. A computer designed to solve a variety of problems with a variety of programs compared to special purpose computer. Usually used for a variety of purposes, namely for business application, engineering, education, word processing, games, etc. Okay. And third, based on size, first microcomputer, also called the personal computer or desktop computer. My memory size range from 16 kilobyte to more than 1 megabyte. Operand register configuration of 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, or 64 bits. Generally single user, the space required is small and can be placed on the table. Mini computer can be further classified into mini computers, mini computers, maxi mini computers, and super mini computers depending on their capabilities. Memory size range from 4 megabytes to more than 100 to 8 megabytes. Configuration of operand register 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits, or 64 bits. Okay, small computer, also called the small scale mainframe computer, memory size around 64 kilobyte and can be expanded to more than 8 megabyte. Configuration of a friend register, 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, or 64 bit. Medium computer, also called medium scale mainframe computer, memory size around uh, 50,000 12 kilobyte and can be expanded to more than 8 megabyte. Medium computers can have large number and variety of input and output device. Okay, and last, large computer, also known as a mainframe computer, a large scale mainframe computer because of a large physical shape like a closet. Main memory is size 512 kilobyte and can be expanded to more than 8 megabyte. And and last, supercomputer developed by US and Japanese companies. IBM as one of the companies that develop supercomputers. Supercomputers results were also conducted by Cray Research with the results of the Cray 1 computer. Okay, finish the first material. Next to second material is hardware. What is a hardware? Hardware is the part of the computer that can be seen, held, or moved. Types hardware. There are hardware input. Hardware input is any device used to input data into a computer for further processing. There are various types of data into the computer, either in the form of letters, numbers, or images. Okay, example of input hardware. First, keyboard, and second, mouse, and third, scanner. Okay, next, hardware output. The components that are very influential in computer performance are in the process hardware group, or in computer terms called CPU. Example of hardware output. First, motherboard. The motherboard is the basic medium for various computers' CPU components. The motherboard is a circuit board on which various components are installed, including the processor, RAM, VGA, audio card, LAN card, and various other components. Okay, second is memory. Memory, or another term RAM, random access memory, is a type of computer storage media that can be accessed randomly. RAM also functions as the main memory for displaying and memorizing data when the computer is first turned on and will be erased when the computer turns off. And third, processor. Processor or its full name microprocessor is a component mini transistor and other circuit on semiconductor integrate circuit that was the core or brain of a computer. Okay. For BIOS, BIOS basic input output system is a built-in program on a computer whose function is to manage all computer hardware. The BIOS function is to initialize the hardware that will enter the computer system as a whole. BIOS is also called firmware because it is an integral part of the hardware system. Okay, five, printer. The printer is an output device from a computer with the results in the form of writing or images on paper media or other media they support. There are three types of printer: dot matrix printers, inkjet printers, and laser type printers. Okay, and the last, plotter. A plotter is computer output device specially used for drawing or printing in accordance with the sequence of images or layers. The plotter is able to draw from one end of the paper on the other and back to the original end. Okay, finish. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry for the mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.